Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Now I'm at the Hemwell Hempstead flying patch, fairly high up as you can see there. Zoom in with the camera. Let's listen to some DMR transmissions. I've got the Retivis MD380 clone. Let's turn them on.
Subject into gold leaf. Oh, it was what a performance.
Local talk group 9.
Great big vacuum.
And that's G4 Papa Echo Fox.
And there we are.
Chatting away.
And then it appeared on the TV screen.
Don't know why they sound like robots.
And you took your picture with either a 35mm camera attachment on it or a medium format camera attachment on it. I used to use a medium format camera on it. Oh boy, I tell you, that was a game and a half. But this is interesting. The camera.
Display on the radar goes out after about 15-20 seconds.
If you think about the average digital camera, I mean the one I've got at the moment is 24 megapixel or 24 point something megapixel. High cheap camera, costs about, I don't know, 175 quid from one of the camera shops. Nikon, works beautifully. This camera, which of course there's no kind of a lens on it, it's dedicated with a microscope. 100 megapixel, how about that? G4 PF.
Yeah, G4.
I presume that's his DMR ID 235139 on Talk Group 9. ID not found in user's CFV, so it's like a CFV file you had. I haven't done that. Please see readme.md on the GitHub. Play with that, but there we got some DMR transmissions.
But yes, I know the.
And I sound weird compared to the normal transmissions on FM, AM, and whatever. That's what DMR sounds like for those who never heard DMR before, and that's an MD380 clone. It's just a quick video to show you what DMR sounds like. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers and beers. Bye bye bye.
As far as I can recall, there was only one